Hi, who, what, where? It's Victoria Monét, and this is Truth or Where. Truth. What was your biggest green flag in a music collaborator? Willingness to play when a collaborator is open to trying something they've never tried before, trying a new sound or hearing an idea or drawing inspiration from something else. That's always super great. Another truth, they want me to tell the truth. What is a grand romantic gesture you've done for somebody? Ooh, romantic gesture? I don't know if it was grand, but I'm really good at planning surprises. Where? Oh, this is a fun one. This is from when I went to see Vogue World LA. I was wearing Cavalli, and it was all corseted and pushed up and very, very beautiful. It was like glistening in the sun. My girl's right next to me. We're in the same colorway, so I love this picture so much. It looks like we planned this. Dare. Ooh. If you could dare me to do anything, what would you dare me to do? Write it in the comments. Okay, FMK. This is marry, kill, right? Or forget, marry, kill. Your own songs, On My Mama, Jaguar, and Ass Like That. Oh, that's really hard. I would marry Ass Like That because I always feel like prioritizing your self-care, which to me is physical fitness. I think that's always a great thing to have, even when you're, 102. Still keeping that ass like that. I would kill On My Mama. We've seen enough. I love the song. I think it was really, really great, but it's like, there's more. Just for now, I'm gonna lay her to rest for this game. I guess I would fuck Jaguar, which is hot. Where again? Okay. Who, what, where? Okay, this is me and Tiana Taylor courtside. My goal here was just to be chill. I wanted to be very girl next door, so I wore jeans and like a regular simple white top with a brown leather jacket and some diamonds on the neck, because it's just a basketball game, so I was chilling and felt cozy, but still elevated from like a normal trip to the store, Spinning again. Truth. As a Taurus, okay, we love our Tauruses. What's one trait you fully embody and one you don't totally relate to? I think it depends on how you frame it, because a lot of people frame Taurus as being stubborn, and I don't really identify with that. But if you say determined, I identify with that. So I think I would say Taurus are very determined. We're also very loving, loyal, truthful, and a Pisces moon. And a Leo rising, by the way. Spinning again. Another truth. What's the ultimate come over I can cook dish? That's really tough because I just finished culinary school, so there's lots of things that I want to show off. Lately, my daughter's favorite has been my ramen. People also love my fried chicken and waffles. People love my sweet Monet's cookies. I like making Italian food. I learned how to make bread in culinary school. I mean, we can talk about food all day. That's another thing I identify with about being a Taurus. We love our food. I'm spinning harder. Where? Okay. Oh, this is a great one. This one is my Grammy look from 2024. This was custom Versace, and it was really important to me because my daughter also was nominated for a Grammy on this same day. She was 2 years old at the time, so she's now the youngest Grammy nominee ever in history. And she also had a matching Versace custom dress in the same fabric, which I thought was so kind of them to do. And funny story on the carpet, I brought her onto the carpet obviously because she was nominated also, but it was right in between like nap time and eating time, and she was very irritable, so she wanted me to hold her the whole time. She was giving the interviewers a time, so she became a meme that day. Like she looked at one of the interviewers crazy for, I guess, just because she was just in a mood. Yeah, so now it's still a meme. Where? Once more. Okay, this look was fun. This was from my On My Mama music video. It's the first look you see in the music video. These jeans that I have on are from the early 2000s, and they're called Jabot jeans. Very, very hard to find. We gave like very much character energy, and that's why I have this fitted hat on as well. This is the LA hat. I would have usually worn a Sacramento hat, but I live in LA and we shot in LA, so it was an ode to LA culture as well. Yeah, good time. Truth. Okay, here's the truth. What can you tease about this next era of music for you? Oh, this next era of music feels really, really full of love and experimentation. It's about being on another frequency. Just fun. Woohoo! True. What's the best part about being a girl mom? Oh, I find something better every day. I feel so inspired, but also like this really grand responsibility to be such a protector, even more than I protect myself, and like standing up in ways that I wouldn't even do for myself. So it's really, really cool. And I think it would be like that whether it was a girl or a boy. All right, Who What Wear, that was so fun, and I will see you next time.